Hi again everyone. Okay, I'm going to show you all the tutorial for a cool card trick called the Selective Touch. But before you come to perform the trick, you want to have a quick setup, and that is to have the Ace of Clubs, the Two of Hearts, the Four of Spades, the Eight of Diamonds in that same order, and put the cards into your pocket. It could be a trouser pocket or a shirt pocket, but just make sure that the pocket is baggy because you're going to have to ruffle your hand around in there. And a way to remember that order is by using the word chased, because the C comes first for the clubs, then there's an H for the hearts, then there's an S for the spades, and then the final letter is D for diamonds, and it just doubles. So ace doubled is 2, or 1 should I say. Double times 2 is 2, times 2 by 2 is 4, times 4 by 2 is 8. So it's quite easy. And make sure that you have the 8 closest to your body, and so that the back is closest or facing out from your body. So once that's in your pocket, you ask your spectators to shuffle the deck and to pick any card that they like, and to show you what the card is. And they've chosen the Eight of Clubs in this example. And what you do now is you take the deck and you put these cards into the pocket as well, so that the cards go on top of the cards that are already in your pocket. Okay, so your setup is still at the bottom there. And then what you say is, okay, I can actually feel the value and the suit of the cards without even looking at the cards. And to prove this, I'm going to pull out a card that is going to drop the cards. That is going to be a club, because you've got a club there. And then after, I'm going to pull out a card which is an 8, or if more than one card, to make the value of 8. So you put your hand in your pocket and you remember where the cards are. So I've dropped the cards to the changed order, but remember they're in that order. So you say, okay, I'm going to find a club, and you tend to feel around, and you just go for the 4th card from bottom, because you know that that is a club. Okay, so you ruffle around, and then you find the Ace of Clubs, and you say, okay, you pull it out and you put it out facing downwards, and you think, okay, I think this is a club here. And you go, yeah, I was right, I picked out a club without even looking at the card. And they've got an 8, so I want to pick out a card that is value of 8, so either any of the other 8s or more than one card that make up 8. And I know that the bottom card is an 8, so in this case I ruffle around, pretend I'm feeling around for 8s, but I just know that the bottom card is an 8, so I pull it out and you feel it, and you say, yeah, I think I've got the value right here. And you look at it, and it looks like you've just felt around for the clubs and the value of the card. If that card isn't one of the bottom, isn't an 8, a 4, a 2 or an ace, say for example they get a 6, you have to, first of all you'd obviously put the 8 down because it's a diamond, and then you could put the 4 and the 2 to make up a 6, and so on. So that's called the Selective Touch. I hope you liked that. If you did, please remember the thumbs up. That'd be awesome. New video coming very soon. Thank you. See ya.